Hello friends, myself Swati. Welcome to my channel. Have you seen my previous videos? No? The links are in the description box. Watch them, like them and subscribe to my channel. From today, I am going to start a new series of beautiful flower paintings. These will be very easy flowers to paint and you will be able to paint them on any surface like wall, book covers or diary covers, greeting cards or any metal surface. And for these paintings I am going to use acrylic paints. So let's begin.
I'm showing you a flower which looks like hibiscus flower, and for this I'm going to use these paints which are acrylic colors, and these are the bottled ones. You can get them anywhere, or I have provided the link in the description box. This is a 10 bottles box. We are not going to use all the colors today, only few of them we will use. And the brush we are going to need is the round brush number 10 and liner brush number 2. For hibiscus flower we are going to need crimson color, then yellow color and sap green for leaves. Let's put these colors away. I'm taking the round brush. This is round brush, and I will dip it in red color and very little bit in yellow color, just the tip of the brush. Then place the brush on the paper, turn the brush, make a right angle of it, make a right angle and move the brush little bit so that bristles will spread. And now the bristles have sprayed. Push the brush little further, bring it back while rolling it. A petal is made. We'll do it once again. Place the brush on the paper, make a right angle, then spread the bristles, push the brush little further, bring it back and roll. See. Now we'll make flower. Oh, now we will make a flower. I'm going to make 5 petals. I'm also taking little bit white color. The flower is ready. So instead of using this flower, you can also use one petal as a flower. Let's see. This also can be a flower. Okay. Now using green color we will make calyx, which is a protective part of flowers, which is at the end of the flower. We'll make it using liner brush. Draw a little stick for that. Yes, it's done. Let's make remaining ones also. So it's done. Now let's make one composition. And this is my old composition which I had done with orange and white color. Also there's some leaves are different. This is a greeting card. That's all for today, guys.